Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Roads of Oz. My name is Matt and we're at Sydney Motorsport Park where I'm going to pump the Griso around the track. Alright, for those of you who don't know what Sydney Motorsport Park is, it was originally known as Eastern Creek and held the motorcycle Grand Prix for Australia back in 1991 through to 1996. And in 1993 and 1996, I got to watch some racing gods tear around this track, the likes of Wayne Rainey, Kevin Swans and Mick Doohan. Generally you'll get there between 7 and 8 o'clock where your bike gets looked over by scrutineering. Most of the time they're just outside the pit garages and they'll go over your bike. I was very lucky. They went over mine while I was getting my gear, and by the time I bought all my riding gear in, they'd already pushed the bike into the pit and it was good to go. The sticker was issued. The bike was safe to go on the track. So these ride days consist of 4 groups. There's the fast medium slow and the slow. I was put in the slow group and I wasn't too disappointed considering the Griso has zero aerodynamics. It's an air-cooled motor, so I was just happy to punt it around the track at my own leisure. But first there's a debriefing, and that's where the organisers of the day take you through any issues the track has, go through all the safety flags and make sure you're well aware of what's going to happen during the day. They do have mechanical workshops which will are there to help you stay on the track, so if there's any issue with your bike you can take it to them and they'll be able to help you with any issue you might have. They also will help you with suspension settings and they also have tyres there. So as far as food goes on the track, there's a nice little cafe just above pit 1. Now I paid $13.50 for a bacon and egg roll and a coffee. The coffee was okay, but the bacon and egg roll was fantastic. It was lots of bacon and it was enough to get me through the day. What I would suggest you bring is water, and lots of water. You need between 600 mils to a litre for each session you do, because you get very thirsty and your mouth gets very dry. So definitely bring some water with you. So who's a track day for? Well, pretty much if you've got a bike, a track day is for you. Now you don't need a sports bike, although it does help, but any bike will do. The track day is the perfect place to get familiar with your bike and learn what it's truly capable of. And who knows, that could save you one day when you're on the road, you get into a situation and you realise the bike's got that little bit more, you can pull it into a corner that little bit harder, brake that little bit harder without fear of locking up. I just find the best way to get to know your bike is definitely on a track day. Now a big shout out to the Moto Guzzi Owners Association of New South Wales, for if it wasn't for them I definitely would have been able to attend this track day. Another good thing about the track day, they've got an in-house photographer that knows the track very well, knows where to position himself to get the best shot of you on your bike, and believe me, you can spend some money buying photos, just like I did. But a word of warning, do not look at the cameraman, because if you're not paying attention on the track, this can happen. Anyway, that's enough of me talking. Let's just enjoy the lap. very good condition. It held up really well. Tyres got a good workout. The whole bike got a good workout. So this is the only time I ever find the Griso lacking is on track days, and it's one of the very few occasions that I think, gee, I'd love a sports bike. But in the 6 years I've only done 2 track days, so really can't justify buying a sports bike. And she does do a pretty good job of the track day, even though it's a big air-cooled V-twin. So that's pretty much the end of the day for me. Had a great day racing around. A lot of fun. If you're ever thinking about doing a track day, definitely do it, especially Sydney Motorsport Park. It was an absolute blast. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. If you found this video interesting, please like, share, and if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vid.